Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing hardware and cloud access. Flash Raspberry Pi OS to a 32 GB micro SD, enable SSH and audio input so you can work headless. Once done, plug a USB or i2's microphone and test recording with AirAccord. Confirm sound levels. Next, sign into the Google or Amazon Developer Console to create a project and generate API keys. Keep them handy. These keys let the Pi convert speech and access assistant services, so store them securely on the Pi. Now install and configure the assistant stack on the Pi. First, update the OS and install Python 3, pip, virtualenv, plus a wake word engine like Pocket Sphinx or Snowboy. These detect hey locally. Then create a virtualenv, pip install the Google/Alexa SDK, and place your API keys in protected environment variables or a config file. Make sure ALSA and pulse audio routing are set so the microphone feeds the SDK and the speaker plays responses. Test the SDK with a simple text request to verify credentials. Finish by wiring the assistant into auto start and validating end-to-end audio. Create a systemd service that launches your virtualenv and runs the assistant script so it starts on boot. Once running, speak the wake word and follow the spoken prompts. If nothing happens, tail your log file to see errors. If audio is noisy, rerun AirAccord tests and adjust gain or change the mic. If authentication fails, regenerate or refresh tokens in the Cloud Console and update the Pi config.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.